giving producers exactly what they need, precisely where they need it. The SIMPAS application system enables farmers to apply multiple products in the field in one simple pass, offering better efficiency and results. Product Portfolio and Alliances Director Jim Lappin joins us now for more on this. Jim, a pleasure to have you here. We were talking in the green room. This is going to be a big time saver. This is going to save farmers on money and time. I want to talk about this product. Tell us about how it's applied.
So SIMPAS is an application piece of equipment. Mm-hmm. It's an aftermarket piece of equipment sold by our distribution partner, Trimble. And AMVAC represents the company that sells a lot of the solutions that are used within the SIMPAS system. So you have the equipment component sold by Trimble, and you have the product sold by AMVAC as well as other companies. So the interesting thing about the SIMPAS system is it allows a grower to really have a lot of flexibility in deciding what specific agronomic issues he's going to handle and treat, all at planting with in-furrow products. So he may choose to use something like a rootworm insecticide that covers the whole field. He may choose to use something like a micronutrient, like a zinc, where he's going to variably rate apply within different zones within the field. Or he may have something that's very precise that only calls for use in a very specific area, like a fungicide, maybe in a low-lying area where incidence of disease is more common.
And doing this, there is benefits to the farmers in this. Talk about that.
Absolutely. So both Trimble and AMVAC are members or they're grant partners in America's conservation ag movement. So there are incentives for growers to adopt practices, conservation practices. So SIMPAS enables a lot of those practices, practices like improving fertilizer efficiency, moving from a broadcast to an in-furrow treatment, moving from same rate whole field to a very precise rate within given zones in the field. So by saving money, you can also earn incentives from the ACAM movement, the Trust in Food movement. And again, growers are eligible for incentives up to around $35 an acre for adopting these types of practices. And SIMPAS really enables these types of practices.
At a time when we look at inputs are so expensive right now and farmers are struggling with the cost and trying to weigh out, how much money they're going to have to put in, what are they going to get as far as yields? When something like this comes along with SIMPAS application, this really is going to be a big money saver. Because of the precision.
Absolutely. Growers can go to simpas.com and they can request more information. They can read about the system. They can read about the products that are available in the system. Or they can request a SIMPAS ag specialist contact them, and they can talk to them about their specific planter, the type of equipment they would need, as well as the solutions and how they might be able to enroll their farm for these ACAM incentives.
Well, looking forward to it. Of course, you're going to be staying with us. I know that. You're going to be coming back in our next half hour.
Looking forward to talking about more.
Absolutely. This is the man who knows some stuff, and boy, this is going to be good time saver and big money saver as well. AMVAC, SIMPAS, Product Portfolio and Alliances Director Jim Lappin. And as I said, he's going to be with us in our next half hour.